Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 18th of August 2024. I'll be going over my weekly option chain analysis for the upcoming expiry on the 23rd. Now for this video, I want to point out that a lot of these values are from 2 weeks ago. What I changed to last week because I didn't make a video last week due to my returning from Harvard Summer School, and as such I didn't have time to make these videos last week. And therefore, so for example, the max Y level went up to 5,600 from comparatively at 5,350 at 2 weeks ago. And similarly to PE, max Y went to 5,600 from 5,300 2 weeks ago, which is positive. And these are all going to be updated to 1 week ago as of the next video. The quantity is higher for CE, which is actually positive. The change is higher for CE, which is net positive. Short squeeze is higher for CE, that's positive. PCR, however, is still very overbought, and that's negative. Implied volatility is lower compared to 2 weeks ago, that's positive. Historical volatility is higher compared to 2 weeks ago, and that's negative. RSI is higher, positive, and now this value is from last week. No divergence, that's positive. In this case, it's actually negative. But the ADX is lower, that's negative. ATR is higher, that's negative. Both EMAs are higher, that's positive. VWAP is higher, that's positive. Pivot point is higher, that's positive. Candlestick is bullish, that's positive. The support, in this case, should actually be changed to 5,600. So let me actually go ahead and change this. Is 5,600, and compared to last week, 2 weeks ago, which was 5,550. Oh, this should be the other way around. So the resistance is 5,600 compared to 5,550 last week, and the support is 5,600 this week compared to 5,350 last week. And the overall prediction is that S&P 500 will go up. And that's for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you next time.